Do you know you can get free calls every month with just 10 cedis? With just 10 cedis, and also getting 174 minutes plus 22 minutes to call other networks, all on MTN, plus SMS and data, all on MTN, just with this code. Okay, this code that I'm going to show you, you are going to get all these offers with just 10 cedis, and this offer is what we call association bundles. Okay, so the association bundles like the NAGRAT bundle, the NAT bundle, and out of the nurses bundle, if you have purchased any of these association bundles, you can enjoy this offer with just 10 cedis. Yes, so this offer is only available for those who have registered or those who have buy that of the association bundles like the NAT bundle, the NAGRAT bundle, and that of the nurses bundle. You know, the NAT bundle, that the forms were open for 3 days that we filled with our number, and out of merging it with staff ID. If yours was successful and you've bought your NAT bundle, which gives 8.5 gigabytes for 27 cedis, and out of 17 gigabytes for 54 cedis, you can as well enjoy this offer with just 10 cedis. That's a free call, and I see this to be the best. So what you have to do is that you just dial the code *5060#, *5060#. So when the code is open, you can see we have SME bundle as option 1 and association bundles as option 2. So you select option 2, that's the association bundles. So when you select that, the code will open and you see it says buy bundle as option 1 and option 2 says check balance. Okay, so the option 2, after buying your bundle then and you want to check your balance, you just choose option 2. But here we are buying the bundle. I select the buy bundle, which is option 1. Then when I select buy bundle, which is option 1, you see a list of amounts will pop up that ranges from 10 cedis to 100 cedis downwards. Okay, so here I select option 1. When I select option 1, which is 10 cedis, the 10 cedis bundle gives me 174 minutes to call other MTN numbers which are not registered on any of the association bundles or which have not bought this offer. And also I also get 22 minutes off net. That's I'll get 22 minutes to call other networks like Vodafone, Airtel, Tigo, and the rest. Okay, and I also as well get 435 megabytes for browsing with all just for 10 cedis, and also get 44 SMS to test messages. And also most importantly, you can see we have the 1 month free call to association members. So if I buy this offer, which is 10 cedis, and you also buy this offer, if you have registered on any of the association bundles, or if you have bought bundles from the association bundles like that of the NAGA, the NAT, and the nurses bundle, you can also purchase this offer. And when you purchase this offer, I also purchase this offer, and we make calls. It is free. It is deducted from the 1 month free call, but not the 174 minutes or the 22 minutes. Okay, so if you buy this offer, I will advise and entreat you that you let your friend, your relative to also buy this offer. And before he or she will buy this offer, he or she has to first of all be a member to the association bundles like the NAGRAT, the NAT, and the nurses bundle. But most effective one is the NAT bundle. And you know the NAT bundle, you have to fill the forms before you will be able to buy your first bundle. So if you are enjoying on this offer, make sure your friends, your relatives too are also enjoying on this offer, so that you make free call. Because now the best way to make free call is just through this alpha bundles and also the association bundles. Okay, so after that, after selecting the amount that you want to purchase, that the 10 cedis bundle, then you move on. You see the payment method is through airtime. This option, if you don't have airtime in your account, make sure you purchase airtime in your account. You can buy airtime for mobile money or go to any vendor to just buy airtime credit. That's the credit. Okay, so make sure you have at least 10 cedis in your airtime. Note, they don't deduct it from mobile money. They don't deduct it from mobile money, so they deduct it through airtime, and this one is instant. Okay, so after purchasing it, then you just enjoy your 1 free month with anyone who has also purchased this offer. Okay, this offer is very good, and let me see in the comment section if you try it and you get it. Just let me see it. Okay, but if you have not being able to get this offer, make sure you stay alert on this platform so that anytime they reopen the NAT bundle offer for registration, I will alert you and also give you the best information so as to help you merge your number of the staff file to help you also enjoy this offer, plus enjoying the 27 cedis for 8.5 gigabytes and 17 gigabytes for 54 cedis on the NAT bundle. As the name goes, here is the Talk Tech. If you find this video to be interesting, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech. That is the talk of the tech.